You tell me where Paul McCartney is!
Kerpal,
Yes.
where is my gun? Cock it for me.
Who?
You tell me where he is, you fucker!
Ha! You cocked it. You Americans think you're so smart with your fat foods. You dog! You pig! You pig dog!
Don't fucking lie to me!
He'll shoot you! You made of a pig and a dog, you hairy son of a bitch! You'll do it right now!
Kill you! You tell me where is Ringo Starr! You tell me where he is!
Don't shoot them! Don't shoot the governor! This is important. Kerpa,
Yes.
what state are we in?
Texas? New York? I don't know.
Austin, Texas, New York, the city. The country, state, and the... Fuck with me.
Don't do it. I kill you.
We are the biggest fans. The Beatles. This is a very good song. I don't know if you can understand how
Do
important
we kill
this-
them now? When do we kill the American? When do we kill them? I want to kill!
We'll kill them tomorrow.
But today,
Fuck you.
fuck you!
Fuck you.
No, fuck you!
Fuck you.
I'm the one with the gun! Huh?
Get out of my face.
Hello, I'm Kapal. I kill you! I own a gun. This is my gun.
I am Ibrahim Sli Mohammed Ali Yaqub, second most wanted terrorist in all of America. You killed my grandmother. Prepare to die! So, motherfucker.
So,
I will shoot you.
oh, it's okay.
I will kill you.
And now is not the time to be emotional.
I kill you.
The fuck out of my face!
Do that again.
Get the fuck out of my face!
Now we are done.